Hi guys, Steve here. Now, two things. One, I apologize if you hear the TV downstairs. And number two, I'm sorry this came out so late. It's been, eepy. So anyway, today we're going to be reviewing a particularly big Nerf blaster. It's not even a Nerf blaster, it's like from Vendor Force. It's the, Matrixfire. Why does it look like an M249? I do not know. So anyway, it's got those two things. The grip, three things. The iron side, and the Matrixfire itself. It can hold up to 30 rounds. Now, this is also a fire ruler. It requires not two, but 6 AA batteries to fire. Battery compartment is right here. And well, I don't have much iron, so let's get to the firing. Yeah, that's very loud. But if it is, I'll be right back with the statistics. Alright, I'm back in, and the longest dart is from the couch to there with 23 feet. In 4 inches. That's basically the size of this room. So anyways, as for the black tester, I give it a solid 9 out of 10. And very good, but it's a good buy. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you like it, and subscribe, and see you later. Bye.